All right, Bintang Lima, stage check complete. The crowds are huge tonight. Our comeback performance is gonna be epic.
Epic is an understatement, leader. My dance routine is ready. Hopefully nothing spooky interrupts the sound system this time.
Spooky? Please, dancer. My flow is so hot it scares away any bad vibes. If a demon shows up, I'll just wrap him into submission.
Be serious, rapper. Remember the mission. We sense a low-level energy distortion around the food stalls. We need to stay focused, even while performing.
Uh-oh. That's not normal feedback.
Everyone, 5 counts to battle formation.
Look! A snack thief! And it's causing chaos! Its energy signature matches the mischievous Tuyul reports. A time thief demon? This is almost too easy!
Don't underestimate it. Its mischief multiplies chaos energy. If we let it go unchecked, the whole Kaiser model will collapse into a mess of...
We fight chaos with harmony. Activate the harmonizing button. Bintang Lima, let's give them a taste of our new single. Vocalist, hit the high notes to track its movement.
Affirmative. Stop the trajectory. Time for the rhythmic restraint.
Here comes the lyrical takedown. You tiny shadow, trying to mess with our groove. Your moves are slow, your vibes are dull. Now feel the power of the gambling bull. Now for the finishing move. Fusion dance finale. You are captured, little shadow. Now go back to where you belong and stop stealing people's happiness. Mission accomplished. The crowd is cheering. Wait, they think that was part of the performance.
Of course they do. That was the coolest encore ever. The market is safe. The nasi goreng is no longer at risk. Good job, team!
Bintang Lima out. Let's get back to the stage and give them a real encore. This time with no demon distractions.